Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the issue of a blinking screen whenever you're trying to use the studio monitor on HDI tools and you're trying to share this on OBS. Okay, so pretty much when you when you have all of your cameras connected or have all of your monitors connected to the same Wi-Fi, you click on studio monitor. Alright, I have already done this prior to this time, so when you do that, all right, sometimes this is actually what you get to see on your display. All right, it begins to blink in this particular manner, and the color is pretty much quite very off. So literally all you have to do, all right, or how we solved this on my team was we actually went on to the settings of our PC, all right, which was actually a Windows operating system, and we turned off HDR. All right, so I'm quickly going to be showing you this, all right, and how we did this. Yeah, and then we scroll down to display right there. All right, we clicked on that. I have my four screens all connected, and I'm going to look for HDR right here. All right, and I'm going to turn this off. When I click on this, the screen is actually going to go off. It's going to blink. All right, we show that the settings is actually being applied, and this can now be implemented. All right, so I'm going to click on this now. My screen just actually did refresh. Okay, and yeah, there it is, guys. All right, so pretty much this has actually helped solve that particular issue of where the screen was actually blinking, and it's no longer having that particular issue anymore. Yes, so I hope this actually helps someone out there, and do have a wonderful day. Take care.